Live on Moneycontrol, I'm Manisha Gupta, and it is the agriculture commodities which have started to surge as well now. There is a lot of food inflation that we see coming back in the international market. Well, some reports do suggest that this perhaps could be greed inflation as well, as the situation between the supply chains and demand and supply are not so bad, but the prices really refuse to come down and every downtick is being bought into. I want to start talking about rubber prices first, and we are trading at a 9-week highs globally on this one. Well, the demand has been strong. India hasn't seen a very big production yet again in this year, and we will have to depend on imports in a big way. And in the meanwhile, as the Chinese demand starts to come back, rubber prices are definitely the flavor of the season. And then it is the food items itself. You have rice, which is trading at a 5-week highs. Cotton prices, after that big correction from hitting an all-time high in the previous year, have seen some buying come back. So 2-week highs onto that one too. In the edible oil space, it's the soybean prices which are inching up, and that is because the Argentina crop is expected lower this time around. But the best of the gains clearly seem to be coming in from palm oil prices. They gained 4% in last 24 hours, and here the prices are trading at around 3-week highs. We have seen Malaysia palm oil inventories decline the most in 11 months, and the Malaysia April production has seen a sharp decline as well. We saw 8% of a decline on a month-on-month basis, and that clearly has been supportive. Weak output expectations in Indonesia is yet another added factor, and then strong demand estimates, especially coming in from the biofuel industry, is keeping palm up. And take a look at the sugar prices, because we've seen strong gains on that. We've been trading at 11-year highs onto this one. Lower crop estimates from most of Asia and Brazil shifting more cane towards biodiesel will keep the sugar prices higher as well. So when you look at the last 1 week in sense of prices, we've seen 2 to 3% of gains come in for sugar, rice, rubber, even cotton for that matter. And the palm oil prices have gained up by more than 9% in matter of last 1 week. Markets do estimate that as we see the weather concerns globally, the demand picking up, China opening, and the China trade data came in positive today, are all supportive factors. Add to that the fact that the dollar index is just about holding 101. So the speculative money managers also seem to be looking at commodities in a big way.